Low cost per piece, high volume, easy to use, these are not only buzzwords for us. Hi, I'm Johnny. I'm Director Sales Tools here at Urma, and many well-known automotive brands all over the world rely on our products and solutions when it comes to machine parts in this industry. The automotive industry has many challenges, like precise bores, very low cost per piece, and easy to use tools. And we got the right solutions for it. As you can see here, we got special tools here, for example, for the cylinder bore of this engine block, or the liner bore, which can meet all these standards. In the automotive industry, we offer also solutions for other parts like steering knuckles or conrods. They can be done with special tools or even with standard tooling.